Technically, you can't look at them and tell their gender apart. It's impossible. You can flip them over, roll them over. You're not going to tell between a male and a female. Now, how you can assume is typically in a 2.5 square mile area, you find only one male alligator. It's called the bull. The average male is around 11 feet long. The average female, 6 or 7 feet. If he finds any other males, including his own sons, in his territory, he will attack, kill them instantly on the spot. So you can assume that it's a female because still alive. Yep, the head's on her.
She'll chomp you. She'll chomp you down.
Look how my video is clear.
Chomp that baby.
Да, потом пошерсть.
Смотри, как он мой.
Да, потом пошерсть.
Because I have full camera.
Пошерсть. Аллигейтор.
Голова аллигатора торчит, только нос. Now you can see it a little bit more. Сейчас видно немножко больше.
I told you all these little kids bring out the big ones. It's like they can smell y'all. On this left side, if y'all want a picture of that bird, get y'all a picture, and I'm gonna swing around at these other guys and get a picture. But that's your osprey right there, fish eagle they call him.
What is he?
Osprey, fish
Why is
eagle.
it an osprey?
That bird there, guys, that and the bald eagle are the king of the kings out here.
What is it?
An osprey. I'm gonna show y'all the outside.
What it is?
Y'all be patient.
Где он?
He's fishing, looking for something to attack.
They're a pretty
Oh, there he is.
decent sized bird. Now the bald eagles get a lot bigger. Look at that fancy come up over there.
Yep.
See him coming out from them little things?
What's the feed on, Cap? Right there. Little banner.
Let's see.
You know, see the osprey guy?
Белый
Right here,
черный.
look up.
Вот там, наверх. Вот наверх.
No marshmallows. You want to go spend?
Gotta find some more gators. That's a pretty good gator call, bud. We usually bring them right on in. Now the alligator's main diet is fish. They eat lots and lots of fish, so that's mostly what you find in an environment like this. But they are opportunistic eaters. I mean, they'll eat almost anything that they can get their mouths on. But an alligator, most people don't know this, but they cannot chew their food. They have to swallow their food whole. So an alligator can't eat very big things. Huh? They sometimes do, obviously, because you have attacks and things like that, but they don't eat you. They always find the person. Can't eat them, guys. It's too big. An alligator, that one we just seen right there, its throat might be able to eat a baseball. Not even a softball, but a baseball. It's very small. Their mouth might be big, but they have to swallow it. So it's going to eat fish. It can't eat that raccoon. It takes a big alligator to eat small things, guys. They don't really go after very, very big things for the most part. The alligators. Mainly fish. Something goes down pretty easy. But like I said, they're opportunistic eaters. If a big alligator finds something big like a deer or a pig, and he thinks that he can take it down, he's going to definitely try to.
Моя
But if he can't eat it,
малышка,
what
так
they do is they let it sit around and decay for 2 weeks or more until it starts to fall
Я
apart.
тоже люблю своих кошек.
Я, короче, его подстригла первый раз, когда...
А когда сейчас собираешься?
Our biggest alligator, El Waco, is about 15 foot long. His teeth are as sharp as your thumb. Not sharp at all. But they're made for biting a hold of something and just holding it. When they're little, of course, they're kind of sharp.
Will they hang around that dead carcass? Like,
Oh, yeah.
Protect, like, fight off somebody?
They will, for sure. There's something rotting up here, and I seen them gator bite earlier, so we're going to go check to see what's going on here. I was looking at that, too. I think that's a stump, though. I don't think that's an alligator, so that's strike one for y'all. Strike three, I got I'll put you out.
Really good to talk to me to come on.
If you want to, at any time when your party group, I'll be better person. Yeah, we're on Survivor. You got
Не, можно без рамки, как бы. Мне кажется, это too much рамки. Слава Богу, я сейчас...
Вот такое хочу написать на самое.
Мгм. Я тоже хочу любимое где-то в моем теле.
right side of the big white float thing.
Такой себе сделает. 30 записалась.
Where it's an old animal that's rounded up.
Мне вот это нравится. Сменился. Такой улиба.
Anybody want to guess how long an alligator can hold its breath for?
30 minutes.
Over an hour. They can hold their breath for quite some time. Over an hour. It don't even smell bad. I'd eat off that thing.
Не представляю.
I see restaurants that smell
Нормально.
Нормально, нормально.
Это я тут.
Ладно, ладно, давай.
questions, y'all?
Слава Богу, мне Инна рассказала, я не знаю, там еще.
What's the best way to get away from an
Она
alligator?
мне
So
говорила,
what's the best way to get away from an alligator? Run zigzags. That is false. Whoever came up with that needs to be put in jail. Need to put in believe that. That's false. An alligator could swim 20 miles an hour. They could run sprints on the land 30 miles an hour. Who can run 30 miles an hour? So whether you run a zigzag or not, you're going to catch it.
Caitlyn Jenner.
Zigzags, that's crazy.
Caitlyn Jenner.
The best thing to do to get away from an alligator is climb a tree.
Oh, it was Bruce Jenner back then,
The
yeah.
best climber you think. I promise. You hear an alligator close to you or you see one. Alligators can't climb.
Well, you not like flying, but like stand up on it.
Yeah, but they
вообще
go up the tree after you.